What's up everybody, ManBearCow here. In this guide, I'm teaching you how to complete the quest, the Ravaged Caravan. This quest begins with Morin Cloudstalker in Mulgore. He wanders the road heading east from Bloodhoof village towards the Barrens. Pick up the quest, which will task you with seeking a supply crate within a Ravaged Caravan. You will find the Ravaged Caravan along the northeast edge of the large lake next to Bloodhoof village. The caravan is surrounded by level 6 to 8 venture company laborers and taskmasters. Hardcore difficulty is moderate due to the fact that the goblins and gnolls like to run away and call nearby reinforcements when they get low on health. Therefore, it is wise to pull the enemies back to avoid aggroing more than you can handle. In the center of the encampment, you will find the sealed supply crate next to the fire pit. The crate acts as a quest giver, allowing you to turn in the first part of the quest before grabbing the second part. So be sure to give yourself enough time and space to pick up the second part of the quest. Do not aggro any mobs while waiting for the quest text to populate. Once you have the second part of the Ravaged Caravan, you can return to Morin Cloudstalker to receive your reward. If you found this guide helpful, show us some love down below in the comments, and smash the subscribe button to help us grow. This is ManBearCow signing out, saying thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.